Hi guys, I'm Linda. I'm the old bird. I thought I would come and show you a little something that I'm learning. I don't know if this will work. I'm learning, so let's see if it will work. This is a little video on how to grow rosemary from a rosemary clipping. Now this is some of my amazing beautiful rosemary that I grow. I just clipped this off. It smells amazing, so delicious. And I cut 2 of these off of my plant. And let's give it a try. Now, I've taken classes on how to do this on YouTube University, and I thought I would give it a shot and let's see if it works. Now, they say cut a piece approximately 6 inches and up to, I think they said 12 inches. It's up to you. I cut this one. Then they say halfway pull off the rosemary leaves. Now this one also had little shoots coming from the coming from the rosemary. So I have those as well. Now we're going to cook with these. It's going to be amazing. Now there's the rosemary. There's the stem that's gonna root. So I'm gonna sit it in my glass right here. I hope you can see that. Let me bring it over a little bit. And this is just a paper plate I put the glass in. And this is a glass. Then we're gonna take this one. I'm gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pull off the leaves of the rosemary. And tonight I'm cooking, as you can see over here, I guess you can see the pot. There it is. I'm cooking turkey necks, and I'm going to put some over there. Now there's the stem, and we're going to put it in the glass. Now, I'm going to use distilled water and see if this rosemary will take root and give us some rosemary. Now I'm going to watch it. The instructions on the video say to change your water frequently. So there we go. I have it in the water. I have it in a glass. Now I have seen people use plastic cups, but I'm going to use glass. And let's see if this rosemary will root, and then we'll plant it in dirt. Now this rosemary that we peeled off, I'm going to drop it right in my pan, a sprig of it, just this much. Can you see it? Am I in the camera? Over here, just like that, in my turkey necks. Thank you so much for joining me. Now we'll come back in maybe 3 weeks and we'll look and see if this has sprouted any roots at all, how it's looking. We'll see how it grows. And this, I'm going to come back on live and show you what you can do with it and cook from it. Have a blessed day, everybody. And thank you for joining the old bird in my potted garden.